What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going for a test drive in a 1984 Monte Carlo SS. This one has a believed to be 305 under the hood. We're gonna take this car down the road, point out any kind of flaws we can find so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. If you're looking for a walk around video, I do those on every car as well. You can wait till the last 30 seconds of this video and check that out. Or just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors. You can find any car on the lot. Got a few things I want to get to today. Try to do some test drives, maybe that Charger over here. Maybe do the Mustang or that Corvette over there. We'll do a few cars. We're gonna take off in this one. If you don't mind, check out my website for financing, shipping information, and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go to check out the interior on this one. Go ahead and start her up. Nice and clean, tinted windows, headliner's in good shape. This interior looks good. We'll be going over it more in the walk around video, so definitely check that out. If you think the horn works, place your bets. It's a little game we like to play on this channel. Mileage on it's saying 22,000. It's got to be at least 122. Try the windshield wipers. They're working. Try our radio. Are we jamming? I hear it popping and being all fuzzy, but I don't hear any music. AC and stuff is under the hood. And it's blowing, but it's not cold, so it may need some work done to it to make it go cold again. Looks like majority of our gauges are coming up too. The oil pressure's up, the temp gauge is up, gas and the volts. Horn? It works. Let's take off. Go ahead and get our seatbelt on. We're going to take off out of here. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. This car's definitely got a mild cam in it. Speedometer's already coming up. So it is working. Steering wheel's nice and straight. It's nice and tight too. As soon as I turn, it turns. Kick down's hooked up. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. This car's nice and smooth going down the road. When I hit the brakes, they're stopping fast. This is a great running and driving car here. Probably wouldn't take too much to get that AC working. It's real clean on the interior. You can tell somebody's taking care of this thing. Everything about this ride right now is very smooth. The steering, the suspension, the brakes, the gas pedal. We're gonna pull up in this parking lot over here, get some outside pictures. You can check out all the gear below or pick up any of it on Amazon. I gave you all the links. Good deal, let's get some outside shots. All right, got y'all set up in the driver's seat here. Kind of look around the car. You can see the temp gauge, oil pressure, all those gauges are still good. We've been circling the parking lot for a little while here. Kind of give you a feel of being the driver here. This road here's got a decent speed bump in it. You probably won't notice it in this car. This car's got very good suspension. About halfway down this road. Coming up right here. gonna pull back in the lot here. I want to get a walk around video of this car, so I'm gonna pull it in here and we're gonna start that. If you haven't seen those before, definitely check out this page. I do one test drive and one walk around, point out any flaws all the way around the car. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hey guys, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every single day. You can check out our website, maplemotors.com, for financing and shipping information. Definitely get on there. We got close to 100 detailed pictures, all of our inventory. It's all listed below as well in the description. You noticed I started advertising my music a little bit on this channel. I'm trying to build my other page, which is Southgate Productions. So go over there. If you like it, hit subscribe. I'll start posting videos like crazy here soon. That's something I'm gonna do after hours, after working with these classics. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.